everyone, welcome to my Xtool video series. In this video I will be showing how to make coaster out of felt material, and I will be using Xtool Creative Space to design the coaster. It's a very easy design. I will be using just two shapes which are already present in the Creative Space. So first I will be inserting a rectangle, and I'll just draw a rough square here and then fix the size here, make it 3.5 by 3.5, and then lock the design. I will also make the corners slightly curved, so I'll do 0.5 since it is in inches. Let's do 0.2. Alright, I like that curved edges. Now what I'll do is go to shapes, go to plants, and then insert this leaf. I will put this one here, increase this in size, and rotate this a little bit. Now select both of the objects, and then I'll go to align, horizontal align center, and then vertical align center. So now I know that the leaf is in the middle of the square, and I will now take you to the machine and cut this out of felt.
Before I cut this, I want to make them have the same size. So I will get rid of one of this from here, and what I'll do is I will also bump up the size to 4. Okay, and then I will go to array and go to grid array, and then from here I can just make multiple copies of this. I will increase the spacing to 0.1. Let's do a 0.2, and also I just want to make 2 of these for now. Okay, and both of these are set to cut, and my settings are 5 and 10. When I select the 5mm felt board, it gives me power 1 and speed 16, but that doesn't work for me. So this is what I found to work for me the best with the Xtool felt. Okay, so let's just move on with cutting this. I will take you over to the next screen. I will take one green and one dark green and place them inside. I also attach this with masking tape. I just like to have this down. I actually find the springs that came with the machine very annoying, so I choose to just use this tape. Cool. I will refresh this screen here. Perfect, it captures that for me. Now I can cut one on one color and one out of the other. I showed the grid array so that if in case you want to cut on all of them on one piece, then you can just use grid array feature. Okay, I have that set. I'll also measure the distance. Perfect, everything seems aligned to me. So I will go ahead with cutting this. All right. The best thing I like about this machine is that it doesn't let you open the lid until it exhausts all the gases, which is pretty cool. Okay. Let's see if it is ready to be popped out. Okay, I feel like it did cut through. Let's just do this out. Okay, it did not cut through. I think I'll have to trim it from here. Think we can increase the power a little bit more. So the idea is to switch these two. Oops, sorry. So the idea is to switch these two and then stick them inside, then turn them into lovely coasters.
Let's look at how we can assemble these. So what I'm doing here is, this is the 10 by 12 cork sheet, self-adhesive cork sheet from Xtool itself, and I will just put these here and trace a 4 by 4 square. So I have marked a 4 by 8 rectangle here. I will cut this out and then stick it. I was trying to figure out some other way of sticking this together, but I tried a glue between these parts, but I think I was unsuccessful. So if I can, figure out, if we can figure out some way where I can attach it without putting a cork backing, then it can be just like a two-sided, it will be a two-sided felt coaster, which will be pretty cool. You can use it any side, but let's try this for now. All right, so I'll take this one. This is the front side, so I will just stick this on the back side of it. That is stuck, and I'm hoping it will not come out. I'll just trim the edges. The point of attaching a cork backing is that since I cut a piece out of this square, I wasn't able to figure out any other way of attaching these two together. So I thought having one adhesive backing, so both of the pieces can just stick to it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I figured out. If I try to take it out, it will come